Yes, welcome to Bikes of Rye, and yes, to my brand new exhaust system from Black Widow. Now before I go ahead and unbox this exhaust system, let me just explain. I just purchased a Yamaha Tenere, okay, 2021 model. It's just done 200 miles, it's still running in, but before I picked the bike up, I already decided that, do you know what? I want to replace the full exhaust system. I want to get rid of the Euro 5 restrictions. I'm keen to make the bike lighter because it is a bit of a heifer. And I also wanted to just, you know, unlock the parallel twin, okay? I wanted to hear it properly. But in saying that, I didn't want to make the exhaust too loud. So I've gone for a 300mm silencer. So it shouldn't annoy the neighbors too much. And it shouldn't mean that I need to rock around with some earplugs in. And you know, Black Widow really stood out to me, okay? When I was looking around for an exhaust system for the bike, okay, I have had systems from the likes of SE Project in the past. And not to say there's nothing wrong with SE Project, but this exhaust system is significantly cheaper than the likes of SE Project, okay? And not only is it cheaper, it's also a superb looking bike, a superb looking exhaust, in my opinion, for the Yamaha Tenere. So I am very keen to unbox it and show you what it looks like. Oh, it's always great getting deliveries such as full exhaust systems for your bike. I love receiving parts. Always makes me happy. So here we have what I can imagine, what I can guess straight away are the downpipes. All packaged very well indeed. Very safe with all the bubble wrap. Oh yeah, look at that. That's one downpipe. Second downpipe. This is a link pipe. And here is another link pipe. Oh, this is pretty thoughtful. Look, fire gum. Very nice. That's a nice little touch. I haven't not seen that before. And this is a wire sensor extension. I believe you need this on the Euro 5 bike. And a box of obviously all your tightening springs and bolts and what have you. Now for the exciting part. Let's just chuck this down here. You can see how light it is, me just throwing it around like it's nothing. Oh, very nicely packaged indeed, isn't it? Look at this. That's cool. Wowzers. Very impressed so far. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Check that out. Actually, I'm going to come over there and you get a close-up of it. Look at that quality. What do you reckon, eh? That's impressive, right? I've got this in a brushed stainless steel, if you're wondering. And you have a baffle included also, which I will likely remove, but it's a nice to have. Look at the quality of the flanges as well. Very nice, very, very nice indeed. First impressions, I'm really impressed, okay? The quality, okay, the finish to these items, it's clear that this is not a budget exhaust system, okay? This is a economical alternative. I need to make that clear. I am very keen now to get this on the bike and hear what it sounds like and find out as well, once we've done some tuning, what power gains we achieve. So if you want to find that out, go ahead and subscribe. That content will be up in the very near future. And with that said, I guess I'll end the video here. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the thumbs up, and I hope to see you in another video very soon. Thanks for watching. See you later.